Come take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, rear axle, 3.23 ratio, engine, Vortec 4.3 ELMFI, emissions override, federal, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, audio system, AM/FM stereo in the license plate bracket, front. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.